Hey everyone, welcome back to Make Money Online today. If you are looking for legit ways to make real money online in Africa, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you two amazing apps that can help you earn over $170 a day. These apps are available worldwide and pay real money through PayPal. So be sure to like this video and stay tuned because I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how you can make money online with these apps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell. And don't forget to like the video to support the channel. My target for this video will be 100 likes. If you can help with that, I'll be grateful. Without further ado, let's dive right in. The first app can earn you over $65 and the second app can bring in over $120. Using both apps together, you can make more than $170 a day. Many of my subscribers have already earned hundreds of dollars from just one of these apps. These are legitimate apps that pay real PayPal money. The first app is called honeygain.com. I will leave the link to Honeygain in the description and in the pinned comment. Honeygain is available worldwide, so you can use it from any country. For future videos, comment your country name below so I can create more relevant content for you and others from your country. Honeygain allows you to earn passive income by sharing your unused internet data in exchange for real money. It won't make you a millionaire, but it can cover small expenses like your monthly Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube Premium subscriptions. If you sign up today using the link in the description, you will get a $3 sign-up bonus for free. The first step is to click on the link and sign up for Honeygain. After logging into your account, your dashboard will show a $3 sign-up bonus. To earn money with Honeygain, there are three main methods. First, by sharing your unused internet data. Download the app, install it, and log in. The app will start sharing your internet bandwidth and you will earn Honeygain credits that can be exchanged for real money. Connecting both your phone and computer to one account can increase your earnings. The data shared is used for purposes like SEO and web intelligence, ad verification, and content delivery. Honeygain does not use your personal data and it is trusted by major antivirus software like Avast and Windows Defender. It has over 4.5 star ratings on Trustpilot from over 14,000 users. You only need $20 to withdraw from Honeygain, and with the $3 sign-up bonus, you just need to earn over $17. You can withdraw your money via PayPal. If PayPal is not available in your country, you can still withdraw with Jumpstart. Switching to Jumpstart gives you a 10% bonus on your earnings. The second method to earn money is through Honeygain referral program. You can earn extra credits for referring friends. Your friends get a sign up of $3 and you get 25% of their earnings for a lifetime. If your referral takes their first payout, you get 1,000 credits, which is $1. Share your referral link with friends and family to maximize your earnings. Most of my earnings are from referrals, but you still need to share at least 10 to 15 MB of data weekly or monthly to avoid losing your earnings. The third method involves sharing 15 MB or more data daily, which can earn you up to 100,000 credits or $100, and it will prevent you from losing your earnings. You also get 2 extra credits for every 10 MB of data shared. Now let's go to the second app. The second app on our list is called freecash.com. You can install games, complete surveys, and other offers to earn money. Freecash is available worldwide and has a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot from 85,000 users. It is another legitimate way to make money online. When you click on the earn button, you can see multiple featured offers that can earn you over $100. Some can earn you over $46 to $50 to $26 or even $100. The offers on this app are endless. When you click on my offers, you can see that they have over 103 offers just for games and 23 for others. So if you like playing games, this is the website for you. Once you are done with the games, you can check other offers, for example surveys, and you can refer your friends and your family just like Honeygain. Another great aspect of Freecash is its multiple payout options. Whether you prefer PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards, Freecash provides flexibility in how you receive your earnings. This flexibility makes it accessible to users from different countries and with different preferences. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found these apps as exciting and as promising as I do. Remember, with Honeygain and Freecash, you can start earning real money online from the comfort of your home. Whether you are covering your subscription costs or just looking to make some extra cash, these apps are worth trying out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video so that we can reach our target of 100 likes, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how you can make money online in Africa. Also comment below and let me know which app you are going to try out first. If you have any questions, I would love to hear it from you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.